So like I said, you make sure your face, you don't dry it. Yeah, don't dry it, just leave it wet. And then you take that sliced tomato and then dip it here. Yeah, can see that. Then go ahead and scrub it on your face. This scrubber is really a good scrubber. It actually cleanses your face. Yeah, for the tomatoes, it actually removes those face dryness and leaves your face very soft. And for the sugar also, they can leave your skin very soft and healthy. Instead of you going out there and buy products, things like that, just do the traditional way. This traditional way is just very okay. Go ahead, scrub it. Do this actually twice a week. Twice is okay. Make sure you don't scrub it when your face is dry, because the tomatoes is very dangerous. The tomatoes and these ingredients are very dangerous. If it gets your skin when it is dry, it can leave the pores. It can be inchy. So make sure you scrub it very well. This way, in just 2 days in a week, you'll get a glowing skin. Glowing, nice, young skin. This one is good even for us, the stay-at-home moms. We stay at home. We were not working, and we are just at home. No money. Make sure you be careful with your eyes. Be careful, scrub it. Scrub it. You leave it on your face for like 15 minutes. 15 minutes, then you wash it. Leave it to dry. And you feel like your skin is tight, then you rinse it. Okay, so guys, you have to wait till your face is dry, till you feel your face is tight, like your skin has tightened you, and then you rinse it off. Okay. It's fun to look at them. You can use anything. If you have the fan in your house, go and sit next to it and do it. Hey, beauty. Yeah.
Nozicheke uje inafanya kupata wrinkles. Utulie sasa.
You let it dry for the best results, okay? For the better, okay? Let it dry very well. You can see the way I'm drying mine, just better. So now it's dry. You can see it's dry. You can feel the tightness. So we rinse. See there. Yeah. So we have rinsed our face. The products, we have rinsed it. So after rinsing, don't dry your face. Yeah, because you're going to apply the other piece of the tomato that you sliced, that we sliced. This is what we're going to apply. We apply this one now for the last results, so we wait and see how the last results is going to look, how the face is going to look. Remember, this is what we're going for the first time. Yeah, so also when you're applying this one, you apply it, you scrub it the whole face, and you leave it to dry just for like 5 minutes. This one is easy to dry. So this is it. We have applied the remaining piece of the tomato, and let's wait for it to dry. Yeah, and we rinse it off and we see the last results. Yeah, so kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Also, you leave this one to dry and you feel your skin is tight, and then you rinse it off. Okay, so it is dry. As you can see, the skin. You have to feel the skin tightness, yeah, before you rinse it. So it is dry, and let's rinse it. So we are done with rinsing. Now so that is the results. Let's let you see this well. So you can see that I can feel my skin though. Can feel it. It's nice, guys. Try it out. I remember to do this 2 times a week. Yeah, remember even to do it on your neck, so that the face will not be soft and the neck is hard. So look at that, how soft and nice. And then boom, guess what? A remedies. Yes, the favorite one with no smell. This one is good. You can even use it for the lip as a lip balm. Just a little of it to apply so that you look beautiful. So how is that? By the way, it is very soft, yeah? Okay. 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 If you're still there, die with your skin. Better you try this. Yeah, as just as that. You can see the results. Even my neck. So I hope you have seen the procedures on starting and to the end. I hope you're going to try it, and if you find it's working for you, don't forget to come back at the comment section and comment it has worked for you. And remember to subscribe, and that is all for today's video. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.